Cinnamon Island is a small islet nestled within the lush mangrove network of the Madu River estuary in Balapitiya, part of Sri Lanka's Galle district. Accessible only by boat, typically via charming boat safari from Balapitiya, this island is reached through scenic waterways flanked by dense mangrove caves. Cinnamon Island is a charming and fragrant escape into Sri Lanka's spice heritage, wildlife and calm backwaters. Whether you are drawn by the scent of cinnamon, the curve of mangrove tunnels, or the novelty of a fish pedicure, this small island packs a memorable punch. Watch local inhabitants, often a single family, demonstrate the entire cinnamon craft from harvesting the bark, peeling, oiling, rolling it into quills, to drying. It's a unique, hands-on look into how the aromatic seal on cinnamon is traditionally produced.
No sugar, no tea, cinnamon powder. For a slow digestive sugar balance. The person clean. First one, compost, rubbish outside, compost. Second one, dalchini. This one, brass, very easy massage. The remove open towel, massage. This one, cinnamon. This one finish, cooking fire. Cinnamon, too thick cinnamon. This one cinnamon. Cinnamon is packing. Pack. Joining 1 meter. Outside 1 meter. Get right. 8th day. Is made. This one, take it, Mary, take it. This one, like this, cinnamon oil. Cinnamon oil medicine, mosquito bite, tooth pain, headache, outside sore throat, no drink, nose block, 3.4. Boiling water basket, toweling cover, steam, joint pain, back pain, muscle pain, a good told me. Smell. Take it, take. Stick commentary oil medicine. Essentially, right. 1 piece Sri Lanka local price. Sri Lanka rupees 500 rupees. Sri Lanka rupees 500.